So, so guys, in this video, I just want to sharing something because there is some of trader that said they said that a real trader will not scalping, a real trader will swing. So I think I want to make a correct about this. I want to make a correction about this ideology or mindset, because that is not true. Before I'm to be a scalper, I already get involved in a swing trade or intraday, mostly intraday, because I want to make money for every day. But I don't want to scalping because I feel that when scalping I will get a few pips only, a few points, because I don't know about how to increase the lot. I don't know how to scaling before this. But after I know in trading is just about the scaling, I don't chasing a pips and I don't want to chasing points anymore, because this is not about to get a huge points or to get a huge pips. Trading is about to make money, just to make money. If you can make consistently 10 pips for every day, you just need to increase your lots, increase your capital. That's all. Very simple. Because what we need is just to be to make a consistent profit. So we just killing your capital and just increase your lot size to make more profit, more money, right? So before I get involved in before I to be a scalper, I already get involved in intraday and swing trade. Even now I'm still trade in intraday strategy. I'm still use intraday strategy and swing trade strategy. But for the swing trade, in swing trading, I'm not, I'm using a fundamental analysis. 90% I will use fundamental analysis for a swing trade. Because why? Because you want to hold a long term, and you want to, if you want to know when to take a profit, you need to know when the, when you need to know the high impact news like interest rate. That is the turning point, the turning point of the market price movements. Like maybe interest rate, like what else, CPI, what else, maybe geopolitical news. Like now it's like Iran and Israel in Palestine, what else, Ukraine and Russia. So this kind of situation will give a big impact to the market and will drive the market for a long ride, because let's say I give you some example. When the Fed increasing the interest rate, of course the investor will put their money into the US. They will convert it to USD, US dollar, and will keep it to the depositor. You're right. But when after they put their money on the bank or on the bond, of course they're not investing in for the short term. Of course they will investing for the long term. So that's why after the Fed increasing the interest rate, and then suddenly USD will strengthen for a long ride. So that's mean I said for swing trade I will analysis based on fundamental analysis. But for the intraday and scalping, I will use mostly in technical analysis. So guys, if you want to say to me that scalping is for newbie and a professional trader, it's is not trading in scalping. That is not true, you know. I also trade in gold pairs, and I'm using my intraday strategy, which is I'm focusing on a risk and ratio, proper risk and reward, which is 1:3. In gold, if you look here, one setup mostly can go until 100 pips, 90 pips, but I'm considered it as a scalping, because in gold it's a very easy to get 100 pips. You know, even in 50 minutes or 5 minutes you can get more than 100 pips, but I'm still considered it as a scalping. But in Euro USD, if you can make 30 pips, only 30 pips, even 50 pips, let's say 50 pips, you can get 50 pips on Euro USD. I consider it as a swing, because it's a very hard, you know, even to get 50 pips on Euro USD. You need to be a sniper. So, you know, it doesn't matter if you are swing trade or scalping. In the end, we just want to make money. This is not about to get pips race. This is not a point race. This is about make money freedom, and to get time freedom. You know why I'm choosing scalping right now? Because it gives me more time freedoms. That's all. But sometimes I still trade for intraday, because you know I want to refine my skill for intraday strategy. And for now, maybe next year I will focusing on more to swing trade. I fully will trade based on fundamental analysis, because you know, if you want to get involved in hedge fund, if you want to be a trader, if you want to be hedge fund trader, you need to know about fundamental analysis, because fundamental analysis is the truth of fundamental market. You know, fundamental, you know, fundamental is the real that make a movement for the market price. It's not candlestick, it's not technical analysis that make a move, you know, to make a move for the price market. So okay guys, that's all for I just want to talk in this video. So it's up to you. If you want to be a swing trade and you want to still want to be a number one, the longer holding until your last breath in the world, you can stay with it. But in the end, who cares? You can hold until your last breath, until you die, because in the end we just want to make money. It's not about pip race or point race, right? So that's all guys, happy trading for today. So I will update my result for today in my scalping account. So see you later.